This is just a sample product of banner wall, and we'll edit this page in this full product page and the design site now. So this is the description category, reviews, there are some tags also. uh, this There are some bugs and the designer looks some choppy, and the user can design on this area, so the area is not appropriate now. So it's not proper area, so we'll fix the area and rewrite everything on this page now. So let's go to the admin panel. Now the product page. This is the main description, the short description. There are some categories and product tags. You can also add the product image and gallery, feature video, and the description layout with full wood box. There's some quantity, max quantity options, etc. There are also short descriptions separate. And we'll go to main area. And this is the main product designer area. So the product designers category and the product designer. There are some problem on this area. So fix it. Adding new images from your PC, or I'm using the existing image. Insert. Maybe this area is fixed now. After After fixing this area, we need to set up something on this advanced option. There's the DTS painting, skin painting, etc. And on advanced area, there must be something. You are using the editor layout now, so change it to default. So let's see how this works now. Update. Now everything looks new, so because we change it to default editor, and the editor art area looks better now. The right area, banner area. There's so much option there, like text, number, your design, barcode or something, in color, many different font style and main things, you know. It's very advanced editor. So I think you'll understand how this design area, the product editor backend work, the basic thing. If you know anything more about the advanced options, that let me know. Like if you want any more feature function on this editor.